everyone. I Ridhi Viraj, final year BTech Nuclear Engineering student, and your Pramaru Mitra is here with one another video. Today we are going to know about the unsung woman scientist of India, Dr. Vibha Chaudhary. She was the first woman scientist at TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and the prominent figure in high energy physics. She was born in 1913 in Kolkata and received her degree in physics from Raj Bazar Science College from Calcutta University. She was the first woman to complete her MSc degree in the year 1936 and she joined the Bose Institute after graduating. She also received her doctoral PhD under the supervision of Patrick Belworth. But did you know about her contribution to the discovery of new particles? She, along with Dr. D.M. Bose, the nephew of J.C. Bose, discovers the new particles with the help of cloud chambers. Basically, cloud chambers are the device which is used to visualize the passage of ionization radiations, similar as the trailing which we see behind the aeroplanes in the sky. These trailings has helped to discover new particles, their momentum and charges. And the old times it is very difficult to conduct any experiment or research. So she went to the mountains, to the hilly areas for the experiment of cosmic radiations, and by keeping the cloud chambers plates at different altitudes she was able to detect new particles, namely pi mesons and muons. But due to the Second World War, Dr. Bibha Chaudhary could not get better plates to continue this research and had to abandon this project. 7 years later, the British physicist Dr. Cecil Frank Powell did the same experiment with the better plates and received Nobel Prize for his discovery. Many people said that the original discovery was done by Dr. Vibha Chaudhary. Vibha Chaudhary was lately hired by Dr. Homi J. Bhabha, the father of atomic power of India, in the newly formed Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. She there continues her research into extensive air showers and formulated new techniques. She also worked and contributed with various namely scientists all over the world, and she also worked in the Kolar fields in India, the gold mines which is mainly used for the neutrino particles experiment and observations in 1960s. There was one book which was written on Dr. Vibha Chaudhary by Rajendra Singh and Shrew Prakash C. Roy, The Jewel Unearthed, the story of Indian women scientist. She was the true star in the field of nuclear physics, and that's why the International Astronomical Union has named the star HD 86081 as Bibha. It was a yellow-white dwarf star in the constellations. So, as Maxwell has also worked with Dr. Bibha, he was highly influenced by her and he said that try to pursue more Indian girls to follow in her own distinguished footsteps. And he also said that he needs more Indian women to work in the field of physics. Dr. Vibha Chaudhary once asked one question by Maxwell that why she followed and specialized in physics, and she replied, I followed my inclination, I follow my passion. So, as a young nuclear engineering scientist and blooming engineers, it's our responsibility to tell people about the hidden gems of India related to the nuclear technology and to also showcase the hidden world and the untold work of Dr. Vibha and more women's and men's related to the field of nuclear technology. Thank you. Hope this video will tell about some of the interesting facts related to Vibha Chaudhary. Thank you.